Today we're going to talk about the green screen Ultrakey effect. Alright, so over to the left we have a video with a green screen background. We're going to learn how to use the green screen Ultrakey effect. So go to Effects, type in Ultrakey, click and hold Ultrakey under Keying, put it on top of the video. Go next to Key Effect, click on the dropper, click on the green screen background, and then it's going to turn into a clear background. You can put whatever you want in the bag. So let's play it, move the video up, and now save it. Now we're going to press play. And you see it's nothing behind the person. So now I'm going to stop it. Now let's show you the tools. See, this is to go over to the FX button besides the Ultrakey and press on and off. If you want to go back to the green screen, yep, that's how you do it. So now press play, you get the green screen back. So now to go back to the black screen, you're gonna press the FX button next to Ultrakey, and you'll get the clear background. So now if you want to put a background behind the lady on this video, what you're gonna do is first I'm gonna show you the tools under the key effect, Ultrakey effect. So you have your matte. So look at all the other tools that you can do with the Ultrakey effect. If you want to change some of the options, here they are below. You can see now, and this is the last option: the saturation, the hue, anything you want to change on the background. Now let's press play again. Let's say if you want something in the background and you don't like the black background, you want something in the background to make this like a movie. So you're gonna go to another green screen video, put it under the original video, then go to Effects again, type in Ultrakey, click Ultrakey, put it on top of the second video, scroll down, click your dropper again, click on the green, and now press play. You're gonna see the effects in the back. It looks like a Marvel movie. She's a superhero, and that's the effect you want. So you can do this with either one video under the original video, 2, 3 videos to get different type of layers. So that's great. So I'm glad you learned today. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Thank you for tuning in.